Hi, this is Narayan from Sunya Technologies. We are located at Koyarpuram, Bangalore. Today I am going to explain program to print pattern with numbers like below. In first row I need to print 6. In second row I need to print 2 values and values are 5, 6. In third row I need to print 3 values and the values are 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. We will discuss this program with our Visual Studio. First launch the Visual Studio and create console application. Console dot write off. Please provide number of rows. We need to read the value from command prompt. Use console.readline and assign to integer variable int number of rows. Readline method returns string value, but we are trying to assign to integer variable. So we need to convert from string to integer using parse method. Int dot parse of console.readline. Here first we need to read the row value, then later we need to get the value based on column. So here we need to use two for loops to get the value. For int row equal to number of rows, row greater than or equal to 1, row minus minus. For int column equal to row, column less than or equal to number of rows, column plus plus, and print the column value. Console dot write column plus some space. Once we print the column value, we need to go to next line, write console dot write line. We will discuss logic of this program over debugging. First execute this program without debugging, that means control F5. Please provide number of rows 6, enter, and we will get output as 6, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Control F5, 5, enter, we will get output as 5, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. We will debug this program to understand the flow of the execution. Click F11. Please provide number of rows 6, enter. Here we are assigning number of rows to row variable. Here row is equal to 6, 6 greater than or equal to 1, it is true. Here in the first row, first column, we need to print 6. So this 6 is the number of rows. So here we are assigning row value to column. Now column is equal to 6. Then 6 less than or equal to 6. That means column less than or equal to number of rows is true, and print the column value 6. 6 and some space. F11, and here column incremented by 1, column is equal to 7. 7 less than or equal to 6. It is false. It exits from inner loop and goes to next line. Here cursor in next line. F11, then here row is equal to 6 and decremented by 1. Now row is equal to 5. 5 greater than or equal to 1. It is true. It goes to inner loop. Here we are assigning row value to column. So here row is equal to 5. Then 5 less than or equal to 6. It is true. Print the column value 5. Here it is printed. Later column incremented by 1. Now column is equal to 6. 6 less than or equal to 6 is true. Print the column value, and here it is printed. F11, column is equal to 7. 7 less than or equal to 6, false. It exits from inner loop. then row decremented by 1, now row is equal to 4, 4 greater than or equal to 1, it's true. Then assign row to column, now column is equal to 4, 4 less than or equal to 6, true, print the column value. So this loop will execute up to this condition true. Once this condition is true, it will exit from the program. I will stop this execution. Control F5. Please provide number of rows 7 and we will get output as like this 7, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. That's it for today. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead.